Yeah. My everything is you, Lord. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Everybody say, oh, oh. Say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough, enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things, you've Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are, you're my everything. See, I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. You're my everything. I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. You're my everything. Uya matinyina. Uya matinyina. Uya matinyina. Oh, uya matinyina. Yeah, so uya matinyina. Uya matinyina. Yeah. Uya matinyina. Oh, uya matinyina. Say, I call you Jireh, say. I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are my everything. Yeah. Are you ready, everybody? All right, listen. William Miguel, come here. 1, 2, 3. I can breathe without you, say. I can breathe without you. I can move without you, Lord. I can move without you. Hey, who am I without you? Who am I without you? Say, I can live without you, yeah. I can live without you. I can breathe without you, Lord. I can breathe without you. I can move without you, yeah. I can move without you. Who am I? Who am I? Who am I? Who am I? Hey, we are mounting now. So, oh, yeah. Oh,
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specialising in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specialising in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial and other family law disputes, with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contestant and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner. With over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.
Yo, ibisan for mema obibia akwaba eba enenso yedwumedie ya yede bremu de biara mema obibia Good Friday ene yebekaya over centuries nye ene say yesi ye Yesu Kristo amane hu a yene ne cross so na yakobo na asembiem ene yeda yedi kai sa emre no ntimema obibia afishia pa. Yeah, it's just a time. You be reflecting. Yeah, so maybe this I don't to reflect na unhwe ne nyankopon twede ampo wayama. Other for me ma obi bia akwaba. And then say nya technical issues ka.
It's frozen.
Once again to have a conversation on this platform, the usual Friday legal hour. Today's conversation is about those of us who have done 10 years continuous residence in the UK legally and are yet to have our last 2.5 leave to remain expired, wondering whether we can proceed to indefinite leave to remain. That is the conversation. We've had a lot of people. Crawford Bebre and ABC said, na me time no aso anase enso ye. Me 2.5 no ebewu December, ebewu September, ebewu next year. But me try 10 years because now me a student, now me switch call 2.5. Now me sabe a student biem, now me year say, me can nyina bɔ mu a eno kra no ema me 9 years by time me de ade no kotu mu no eche ansa eba enti abae na afide me twa me 10 years no ma de no so enwu ye timetumi akoye indefinite leave to remain application no ana and then yankomodie no say ana won aso wonim say wopese we indefinite leave to remain application wobetumi aye even though we 2.5 years no enso ya na say enwu ye ana then come on nkomo a hwemma bebre cause bebre e was tibia no emu na nea de bia nkomo a de bebre na che say ya test ye hu say adwuma and say ya de abrel me no can say last week in mienu decision e baaye sankrofo no na omo 2.5 no omo enwu ye na nso yetumi ye indefinite e ma won e ma ne ye enti me de obama me host I'm a Easter message.
Yo, lawyer Asmah bedas ye. Other for facha na we be see mo be share difference kakra abe mo ni say internet no na hard but ne nyina mu no ya see ebu see edusua no ebe bremo. Yo, menua be ma ye lawyer papa bi lawyer Charles edikan e de nchia kese abema etiefo. Me nso saa na me de nchia e ma obi biara wa dwane ye misra mo ani de mo ba ya abomode na share program no na enkwechichi emaye because eneno eye good news esan say ye hwe ye topic na ye wona dodo na ya na ma umre na wotwa no quarter sa 4 times they say you're on the 10 years now we try two and a half sa na so no ene lawyer Asmah e ba be cheche ye say edu emre bi na wetwitwa saa na akakra enye nwuye mpo no eni se otwentwa so na mo obetumi ato anamo a ebetumi de we indefinite no e de ama nte eno na ye ba be papi mu na ye hwe kwan a o se wo fa so ana obetumi edina so ana de important a o se wo ye ansa na wetumi edi saa de no edi edwuma enti no ye be skip update kakra na nyame adom na ye ba be wie no na afede ye di update no aba betuga enti mesa tonsa afre ye lawyer papa lawyer Charles Asmah biom na ene membisa ne nsemfo ebi eya na ye nim say 2.5 and 2.5 adodo na afre no yes no either say what 5 years so and now what 10-year route ne so no na ye ma 2.5 ewu a na wasan akọ je foforo iwu a na asan wasan akọ na ne nyina mo se nim se ne nyina mo yisika because ukọ bia no so no ye nka se o wadi kan beji ba konti ye de chew ne nyina mo se o ye application utia lawyer ka utia immigration for so ka na ya submit work amount and I say wo application amount ansa na home office so ajo mo so mo hu sika ansa o ma ye amount na we nyina no se kwan bi wo ho a obetumi atwa so kakra bi na nka eja wenya we indefinite ntem na wetumi ne aye ne obeya enka be asem dedede ama ye nyina enti lawyer Asmah obisa ye said you know say yeah possible so obetumi apply for indefinite leave to remain say oh to say will last 2.5 years you know enye nwuya na obetumi aye ne ntem na che say won so no we gina so because dodo na minim no obi a pese ana dodo na e prese omenya indefinite na se ne be ya omatu anamo free indefinite no e de akoye British citizen nti no sa ho prepare ne de dodo na da o makoma so se nka omeye sa na se akwanya bi wo ho sa obeye ne ntem no so ejina enya ne indefinite na ode benya ne British citizen dia why not nti mesro na papa mu ma ye mre no ko de papa mu ma ye bisamfo am wo no maybe some alongside the way no nti no metuma mesa tuma obi
Yo, me that's a brave man, yeah. A very happy Easter to Obi Biara Otie and Anopay the Easter. Jakasia Efi BWF Solicitors as the Ebreo. Na we Easter egg no are you ready? It's just so a baby. If you anyone na why enjoy on this Good Friday Anopay. Na ene enkomo no senia ye boss no eye enkomo a ehia pa fi se dodo no a ewo saa tibia no emu tibia no ne sen tibia ne se me ba krom ha no na be a student na me switch ye ko baby fufuro ye ma because na me fi de me nya akwala wo krom ha tie ma me 2.5 na me fi ho no me kofa baby ma ye 2.5 no me fourth one na me da so yi but enwu ye ebewu December and I say ebewu September and I say ebewu October 2024 na Martin so say wunya 10 years e wo krom ha na what na ha legally there wobetumi aye indefinite leave to remain application e ma na ye na ma de nso enwu ye ti maye den na makoye indefinite metumi anase mintumi akonya e wane say did you know that it is possible to do that even though we last 2.5 no expire nti edikan no wobetumi so wobetumi dia enkomo no a yebedi no be ma wate ase kwan a wobefa so a wobɛyɛ no anase ne enti a wobetumi ayɛ ne saa ma na yeye edikan no as I say yet say break embamu nti ehwe immigration rules no especially section 117B of the relevant statute no what actually say which are 10 years continuously legally e wo krom ha dia the 11th year no mu no ubetumi aye indefinite leave to remain and I say with 10th year no ebewu no ubetumi aye manaye depending on your situation. Na some 10th year no aso na my rura 11th year mu but ade no wu ye nso a metumi aye na yes ubetumi aye ene nkomo no nti edikan when you 10 years ukakania waye ni nyina bomu a 10 years mama yanti asese sa 10 years no ukoda prison enka ho utu kwan kwahye mu a ma na bro 6 months na wosan ba ya enka ho na we no so no se ukwaye application ema tama wokubeye application no ewu ye na wo be extend no break ekwa ya eno nso enka ho ti mo ma yenhye ni nyina nso enso nti ye fa no odie no there is no exception to it na 10 years no e continuous empo last one enwu ye de nti ye hwemu a technically 2.5 no what na so ba wunya 10 years wo so na wo hwe wechi a wo ebi wo ho from student time from half obetumi dey aka ho because sa leave no enwu ansa wo switch to 2.5 no eso to obetumi eyusu ni nyina aka ho ema wetumi akava sa 10 years no ehwo na ye kyerɛw se na ye nim so no so wo ye application a sometimes tumi kodemu 6 months etumi kodemu bi mkura de 1 year ma twen 1 year na eba no already no so 2.5 na ye dia beka emra medi wo krom ha no eho ti mo ma yenhye eno nso enso nti wo a wa twen ma de na aba no na ade no nwuye but because of delay ni ade no a eba home office wo no nti ansa mo de wa de no ebre wo no wo kasa waiting time in abomu a ema wo hu say continuously no what na ha legally for 10 years ade no nwuye of course the man say have you spent 10 years in the UK legally sadia which are 10 years which me I progress it to indefinite leave to remain depending on your peculiar circumstance. There has been a case law update Santia de Anubaba within the various aspects of the law no I draw the distinction and say nsunsunya eda omo ye omo application late nanso home office consider ye no odi decision ebre won no mama won 2.5 na won a omo anye application no late ho nso ye be draw sa distinction no na yenko mmra no yenimisa ye wo section 3C of the Immigration Act of 1971 all culture yen say we application before our visa ebewu a you are protected. You are protected. Nti just say my application before my visa no ebewu a me okay. Say edi how many years e wo home office no I'm covered. Ehon enso na yebekọ akọhwe paragraph 39E of the immigration rules no. Or say delay eba application extension no eso say 14 days. 14 days na your grace period. Obi omo a ire efiri mpo say ade no ewu endra. Ene wakai enne na ode atum. Anase nani ba no ho so no ade no edi 13 days. Ewu
So what we speaker Nico off. I'm speaker, producer, speaker Nico off. Yenti lawyer Asmah. for Safe no adwene ya legal hours so ne we ye ni BWF Solicitors for na ye di dwuma si ne no every Friday no and then so ye the topic aba ye cheche mu about senior obetumi aye
Yo,
na
yeah.
indefinite so a na meba kakra sɛ wowɔ 2.5 ne so a ɛba bɛwu no wobɛtumi gyina so na wakɔakɔgye indefinite ɛno ne akyerɛkyerɛ a yɛ papa lawyer Asmah ɛde ɛma yɛ nti no mɛsrɛ wonya baa so abɔ mmɔden ana hyɛ program no mehu sɛ monhyɛ koraa sɛ mo ani ngye ho so a na monka ɛnɛ good Friday mo yɛnyɛ good why monhyɛ ma yɛ nti lawyer Asmah mesan ato ama na wokyerɛkyerɛ mu na ade ne freezy kakra nti no yɛnkɔ so bio.
Yo, me that's pa so it me gyina mu. Yo, etiefo na ahwefo se na ye kyerɛkyerɛ mu no. Yɛwɔ paragraph 39E of the immigration rule. Na ne 39E ɛka ne sɛ ure fi sɛ wade no ebewu. Afi na wade aba so, ba hu yɛ no na bia already wait 14 days. On that 14th day no a sɛ ebewu. Wobetumi ewu dada de ewu apa ho 14 days wobetumi de atum ewu apa ho 13 days wobetumi de atum nti between ewu ya no the next day up to the 14th day no wotumi de tum still ema ne yie a omo wave sa expiry days na ebegu so no but let's say it can no na so omo wave ni sa and so omo ma wo say okay 14 days. But then it's okay. A grace period na mu na wo no. Na ye de ade no ma wo a wutumi account sa ebre no towards sa years no. Case law a eba nansen e ka say case law a court imuaye bi eba ye obi di sa ade we kodane aban na imuaye a de kodane court na imuaye a efi mu ba ne say grace period no emu na wo 14 days no na se nyame adom ya de ade na ma wo a untumi encount towards 10 years no wo betumi ayusu wo de aye wadwuma wo de aye na yesa wo ye bia but untumi yusu for indefinite leave to remain. How does this work? For example, wo de application akotum ba wo de tum na ewu wo refie say ewu when you buy one so no na ewu for 10 days or 14 days. In terms say na ewu for let's say whole 14 days. Even one day cry. Until 10 days no and that's 14 days no already no we be ye few 10 years no emu. It could be home office for and same no already wouldn't be anyway into consideration and na more ya amount. We could be once 1 year. Into the 1 year no 14 days na ebegu so answer we your application no a 1 year 14 days. Na chesa wo 10 years no as I say we take sa 1 year 14 days no efim before me move to the next level. It's not just a 1 year no ebewu December you have to wait because December no kwa bia ebedu no na 10 years no a 1 year na ebedu so no na wontumi enkavaye because ebewu December no already with the car 1 year. I don't think say from now to December no will be enough to cover the 1 year deficit no. And now so say 10 ebewu September na wo work na say be aka 6 months ebewu in 6 months time but wait for 10 years aye wo sa meanwhile wo deficit of let's say 6 months then with the 6 months no ebe share 6 months na aka no mu a chesa say wo train kwesi time ade no be wo fully as a way to me enya full 10 years. And the question is what the cat and I say what the cat. What the cat how many days? What the cat how many months? What the cat how many years? And then I cannot buy a cannot buy it because we have application, you know. Now we some would that. Producer, I'm saying noise to be what the anymore. What the cat because what the application you call you know. Now we some a wood that. na ewu how many days? So na ewu 1 day just what the car 1 day and no eda ho. Sa eka no na wo create ye. And na home office for nso omo make decision no entem. Obi beka sense no de mo no mo create ye. But why na mo create sa ade no eye wo because wo wan fa nkwa ntem. Na omo nso enwie ne ntem. Nti wo aboka ato ho na omo nso aboka ne bi aka ho ama wo. Because me putting into context. The question is, could your home office for nsem no? How many days na a buyer and that's a months or weeks na buyer answer omode decision no ebrel. Because sa wanga sa waboka egu ho because ade no ewuye answer what the application it to na mom section 39 na ewo ho nti wutumi use 14 days grace period no eyeka wuntumi emphasize ka no kaka 10 years no eho as I say wuti film until 10 years minus 14 days. As I said, we should share 14 days, will baby, and so wait me your full 10 years. Ubenya fihi. So what the new we are, as I said, we'll train Quisita maybe, and as I will train 14 more days. Home office for so quiet, yes, sir. The next day, no, I know what they are bro. Into by all means, this is be back a ho, Quisita, my dear no beba. If you can now, woman, now wait, be 380 days. And that's a 350 days. And that's a 390 days. Because 1 year, 365. Into the 14 days now, a crowd, and then we answer what you call a can one. Not just say 365 plus 14. Ebema 379. The 379 no. Ube convert it to days, weeks, and that's a month. How many more months necessary we train before ube tumenya with 10 years? Now what the indefinite no akotum. We a case law aba ama sa mathematics and ho ebe here. And this I check here, no I check say medical because my farm contem, medical because home office and farm mantem, and that's a medical. How do you know say one day car? So when the car say we check say what do you know? Extension we yeah during that 2.5 period we yeah before adenu ebewu and I say ewu say enti sadia na just say we yeah after ewu now we yeah no after that nso I didn't na home office for G2 now home office for can say because of paragraph 39E no or 14 days grace period. Nti ade ni wu a obetumi atwen kwesi time a 14 days grace period no beso asa wo de atum. Ebi a na bibi nti untumi nya application no ntem. Ebi a na okra refi so ade no kra ebewu because you obi a na o check no all the time. Nti na 14 days protection no ewo ho no. Kane no na utumi use 14 days no delay no eye nya wo pa bia to add to the 10 years and to also protect you from losing your status. But, you see, I'm trying to say, it is only a shield, not a sword. That means to say, ebetumi protect you there, ebetumi aye w'adwuma, ebetumi akọ suku, ebetumi aye na awoye bia na mmom, edu sɛ wokɔyɛ indefinite leave a, untumi enkan 10 years no ɛho.
Say, last mami dasi senior wachiche mu, but uchenche na quite a big technical kakra because me tell you now with the figures that you mentioning and the date calculation, no, you have to subtract, you have to make some addition and stuff. No, quite me kakra. But meaning say when it comes to lawyers, there, no matter what, you understand the dating system, into no moment how it works out. Now, before I come to you, medma etie for efutu kakra. Won says ye ma won krata ne pe na won sa ka na ho data expiring date no. Se ne be ya na arefre wo ho a eto meba obia so na ni control so nti no. Mesre say na wabo date no. Se wall ho, fridge ho, be bia oye frequent visiting ewo ho no. wobetumi abo atare ho na wama wo ho at least 2 months gap and even 3 months gap say within the next 3 months no mid status and krom ha no ben say or say year renewal. It's a form of me. I'm somewhere that there is a bit of construction going on behind the block. Internet is really creating a whole lot of noise with the Mr. Me try and I'll move away from here, but it's not meant to be yet. So, lawyers man, sisi no calculation now we no. So me Sama is 14 plus 14 or near MBA ma twa ma na expire na se me ntwa ma na expire ne ade. Me no me as a candidate na na me application no. Sa de we nyina me nim. E na ne minimum so say wo twitwa 2.5 no. Kakra fa ma so mre be nim say bia ansa na ubenya se ukoju last 2.5 na just say ho na indefinite no enti say what is 7.5 na fi wakoji last 2.5 eno na be amounting to 10 years no na eno na o ka minim say sa na o ka ba mpese me put sa question say na be benya sa antiase no say aka be 6 months a benya 10 years na or say minya 10 years ni wie say complete 10 years and so I apply for indefinite and I say abra 6 months ni ye do no based on some few calculations na ye no metumi age na so aka say me koji indefinite wo ho ana but me question e dem kakra de
I at the mumpa. And see, I'm going to break the technicality down. Timekono baako. Edi kan etiefo ne ahwefo. Yemfa say ye de yen applicant adwoa menu esi ho. Adwoa menu no ye student no switch call 2.5. And I say or that 2.5 no so adwoa menu because of sikasam na adenti aya or ye fee waiver. Now, if a few even cry into a hoy, a babano so problem made by later. Adwa menu on him say 2.5 no. A beson and I say a bedu a year and the 29th of March. Into him say, I can't why alert 29th March, and I miss my 10 years no edu because na me a student and woo na me switch here and woo and I me switch here and woo and I me switch here. My last 2.5 no de ma me no ebewu December 2024. But me a dear Martina ha legally because of sopi na made that so no. Martina ha legally 10 years. 10 years no a yende. Sana etia dia under section 117B no. Who qualify say echina over start indefinite leave to remain application. Say visa no to na aka no ewu and say enwu ye no of course enwu ye there ewu there then asamaba but enwu ye but ubisa won say won twen kwesi time ebewu and I say won fa indefinite no entumu ende ya wo calculate no eye 10 years no aha and ye be break. Na ye be say we say time I would da 2.5 no so no. Then in a kobaye. Edi kan say 2.5 no ebe so a emra say as say we extension application. Dodo no na ye kan yenim say 28 days within immigration rules. But yenso yenim say you can even do it earlier than 28 days. But what for simplicity no, yenim say within the last 28 days no, as say we do application etum. We referee or for whatever reason no 1 year no on time. Ade no ewu 1st of March. And I also would you mu 2nd of March. Tina say waboka 1 day ato ho cause ade no wuye and so would you and here number 1. Emrane say so what dey wu a Of course, technically, I want to say generally, no, I didn't way untumi nkoye extension. Why illegal? But imrano jinho say, obia na de ewu one day no, apa ho one day no, ebia na enye boapayo because obia ni ho a onim say oba be ye illegal na onkoye renewal abra kwan ewo ho. Nti omo hyehye mmara no omo de bibi ba ye fra no paragraph 39E immigration rules no. Paragraph 39E no eye ohene kase. Ohene kase na o kan say ekoba say wade na ewu sabadami media ma wo. Den na obeka ma wo. Na o kan say wade na ewu a mama o 14 days aka ho. Sa 14 days no bombodian say wo de beko. Because sa 14 days na media ma wo no esan pa ho de a ende mintumi emwa obi. That is the 14 days grace period rule under paragraph 39E of the immigration rules. Before case law abanansiano, na sa 39E no, say epa ho, empa ho. So omo kai 10 years na wedi wo UK, wo de koye indefinite no a, eno no, yan consider because or visa anyway. Nti say epa ho 14 days, epa ho 1 day, epa ho 10 days, and so okay extension no. Say e would call to no echeye and I say anche no, we okay. But case law by no, and a court say hang on, it cannot be okay. So there are a lot of changes are aba. Changes in be ni I call PA court to a court say, yeah, the home office ya adwin. So obia sebio for whatever reason went to me and also saw your man ho. Na de na ewu 1 day to 14 days. No dey atum no. Na obetumi aya ne say sa 14 days no ebeboa no manat na ha de. Na mum entumi mboa no ekodu say obeye indefinite leave to remain ha. Se nipa no e delay na ode ade no call ye. Home office so e delay e na omo de ade no ebre no a. Question is ono o delay how many days? O delay 14 days eyaka wabo ato ho. Nti say and then in 10 years no aso a ye beti how long it take no answer order application no extension no aircon no. Say days no uhu a say 1 day up to 14 days no uhu a as I say what if 10 years no emu. That means even though and there 10 years no untumi emfa indefinite no enko echina. As I say what train na sa days na wo delay and sa wo the application no kono and so eba and esa eson ansa when who say when you 10 years. Point number 1. Point number 2. Wo call home office no ade no call home office no echeye ansa eba. Yan fa sa wo de no eche 6 months. Nti eba ya no na wa twen 6 months already. Wo delay 14 days. Home office wants to delay 6 months. Nti na ya hwa total delay no akoye 14 days and 6 months. Nti se na ye wo 10 years a untumi nka se echina me koye indefinite because matena krom ha legally for 10 years. Total technically no untena ha legally because wangasa no wa punish ho because wa de no ewuwo nsem ansa wo de kɔ. Just say sign tinemu days na ewuwo nsem no. Home office for also a delay and some more ba. Just say sign tinemu na wo cover home office for also delay no a call ho no. Nti se wa de no enwu a wo bebisa wo say days ya abada hwe me there 14 days. Home office for also there 6 months. I about 180 days no. How many days necessary me train and some me the indefinite no akọ. You find say wo there no wo train for 180 days and 14 days, which is 194 days. Never me any days ni say easy say you bet me I work with the days because 14 days no ho. And home office for delay no a month. Into canning in Albumwa, 6 months and 14 days, dear. By breaking in down into days are easier. In terms of say, what dear no acquire 194 days. Home office for at the 180 days, which is 6 months. And I also dear in 6 months, I would econo 14 days into 194 days. So 194 days, also visa no aka no aka 6 months na ade na ewu. What there is 6 months and 14 days arrears. Na aba esa wo cover. Untumi engasa wo ade no bewu 6 months time. Why of course we be 6 months. 6 months no aba no aka 14 days biem. Ade isu ukasa wo try another 14 days ebe say ewu nsem. So what do? You have to put in another application for 2.5. Until a bar na afi de when you 14 days no. Of course, and also kodemu a beche ansa aba na afi de sa days no asan akonanim biem. Ekobasa omoma 2.5 a ese we cover this arrears na ebegusu no ansa wetumi your full 10 years. It's a bit technical. That is why you don't burden yourself. Say, wow, be what the bra lawyer anymore. Lawyer be share calculations no. Edi kan lawyer be say adia no ekoda home office for enchen no ekodi omo nchen no it take how long answer eba. Now I try to ho. Once we our last extension no we delay answer what they call answer what they call on time. Now we take into taking notes meaning now no I can boom we convert it into days. No I can't just say wo boka to ho 10 days because we e pa ho 10 days as how they call. Section 39E April 30 o e ma wotumi di koye. Enti omo anka bibia say ya reject to application because we are illegal na wo dey ba. Omo age aye ho adwuma ma wo. At section 13 paragraph 39E no it's only giving you some freedom on total freedom. In the case law abano say it is a shield for you. Shield say a bon ho ban if he illegal stay ho. Nemum amfa unkopie ahimemu a eye indefinite. Inti because say a shield not a sword. Sword no say ubetumi akan aka 10 years no ho. Cannon was a shield and a sword. But now, on you sword in a few, to mean kind delay no eba ya and so what the word no echo. Any delay now is your home office, no to mean kind cow 10 years no. No one can say my train a buy a decodi or musemwa and sa eba. Santi, make a canning in album. I didn't weird yet, and so may try me 10 years. Question is say. Ekodi omunsem no a eche ye no eye why fault eye wo na wo delay ye asa wo dey call enti na eko delay no ana of course yan say because we are late enti no so are late but that is the inference enti say wo omunsem na wo dey call na omunso e delay a omu delay no wo dey beka wo dey no a e delay ansa wo dey call no na wa afa ni nyina asoa. Nembom say ewu say before ebewu no we your application na ekọ na ekowu e wo munsem di a ese so omofa esoa. So question is say why na emma home office delay no eye tintin. So wo dey na 1 day di a wo be fa omo die ni nyina aka wo dey no ho. Na what efi 10 years ni mu. Na what na wa twen kakra nsa wo dey indefinite no akọ. So we are on time na ekowu wo munsem di a emra ne say sa delay no eyomo an no mo cause ye santi omuntumi mpanishu mani ye nti with 10 years no eso pepepa na we leave no enwe ya kra we betumi e de we indefinite no akotum.
Watra Selma afedi atasum enti no we senia na o kire no ekoma dodoɔ na rade. Noise ye misro.
You go ahead.
Yeah, I'm salam dia trigger or officer. Yeah, a comma friend is saying omo here sa 2.5 for no mo here indefinite. Ayembia ewu ewo mo nsem no. That's the problem. Producer Patrick, mami 1 minute me but lawyer Asmah, mami bisa o question. Nti si ano se na wa cheche mo no. Enya wo fault say memfa ne say enya wo fault say ade no akɔche wo home office. Watchem say enya wo fault say wo de na delay. Now the call there ene ejina omoso. But say delay 1 day there, omo nso omo de no ejina omoso. Na ye ni mo nso say but I say
Ejina wo
ejina
so.
wo yes, I didn't see him say Emribia yeah application. Yeah, my 28 days, which of course you've explained that one. Yeah, my 28 days now 5 years application. And it's a to me yeah within that time period nidia neko delay wo and no de ejina omomo so. Now here is the case. Say ebani say yeah 6 months na ekwoche because I've seen somebody's application 2 years. Na ɛda so wɔ home office for nkyɛn. Ɛyɛ the same process na ɔmo de bɛka ho. Ɛhɔ no yɛ 1. Afei nso no, menim sɛ day of your submission of application no, ɛna ɛyɛ time a why or say yɛ calculate every anaasɛ date na yɛ grant wo saa 2.5 no, saa date no na wɔde bɛhwɛ. But 2 questions. So wehu nea mebisa no.
I mean, so okay. Edikan nya ewo mu ne say application wo na wo kwa akoye. Wo application. Unim say wo 28 days, last 28 days no, whatever no. Question is say wo your application no, wo ye no on time and unim time a wade no bewu. Nti unim say the basic position and I say the starting point and it say make sure say ade no enwu ewo nsem. So why ade no wu wo nsem dia automatically no why illegal. But say case why illegal automatically and you fair because e bia na enye bo apeyo na wo ma no ko ewu ye ansa wo ye application. Nyoma sisi. Nti mra ne say sa na etia dia wo 14 days after say ade no ebewu. But sa 14 days no wuntumi yusu. Ade say wo pese wo punish wo ho. That is the position now. Nti sa wo pese wo ba punish wo ho a don't use the 14 days grace period. Kwan men ababa sa wo ba punish wo ho. So we use 14 days grace period in the pet, so we use 1 day or we use how many days of it, We use ebe protect you there. Nembom ebe punish you. Say koba say we try with 10 years. Now we call for indefinite leave to remain. That 10 years, you baby so I want my yebe kasa tenase. We cry yehwehwe wade enu. We kai say we last 2.5 we are late. I would dey ba. Sa punishment at the whole train. And even though we try 10 years and then up to and then sa delay na ekoba ye nti ya yifi mu a o de ka 14 days as I say we ehwem. So you have to wait. So we dey 10 days plus 14 days. Because we boka 14 days at ho. And now we boka 10 days at ho. And now we boka 1 day at ho. That is what you know. And when the home office will be catch say ade you cry no you make a decision you making no 29th of March 2023. Na you can say ebewu ebia 29th of for simplicity March 2024. When you say 29th of March 2024 no can nyina agboma wait 10 years. Almost so catch us say a delay wo nsem and a delay wo omonsu nsem. If you say we now we create this delay first delay no nti no omo de omo delay no beka wo de ho omo delay no 2 years nti wo dwen se nka wetwa 8 years bi na akwa omo ade na ekọ delay 2 years nti na che se e ba ya no a 10 years na so you don't even have to wait for 2.5 no omo de ama wo no ukwaye we indefinite omo say hang on nti sa 2 years na ekọ delay as I ba no when I will create first one, because once we will delay or her baby, because we can say with the last 2.5 application extension no, we delay for 1 day. Into the end there 2 years no, plus we there 1 day no, you be canning in albumu into train kwesi say we be cover 2 years 1 day no aka no. What there 2.5 years? Santi, as I said, what's now 2.5 and 1 day before you can go for indefinite. Now I cover fully 10 years without blemish.
Blemish. Okay. A home office for so near mo bagging dear a hard dream. Into Asmah, insisia no. Sɛ mpɛ sɛ meyɛ ne ntɛm a ansa na expire na kyerɛ sɛ na sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a mɛ escape all these calculations no ɛbere bɛn ɛna nkɛyɛ a mɛtumi atwa a ɛnɛ gyinayɛ ne topics no so sɛ I don't have to wait till anaasɛ ɛyɛ possible sɛ mɛtumi anya indefinite no sɛ aka me mmere kakra ansa na expire na ɛyɛ possible sɛ mɛtumi anya no kwan bɛn ɛna ɔsɛ wofa so na wode yɛ saa deɛ na wonya afei nso no okay wode ama me ɛno ansa patwɔ
Yo nya ɛwɔ hɔ ne sɛ you make sure say before ade no be no na yɛ the application no atum mmara ne say o last 28 days no wobɛtumi ayɛ but no yɛ home office for nhyehyɛ sɛ bibi nti ɛsɛ sɛ wode kɔ ntɛm a wobɛtumi de akɔ ntɛm sɛnea yɛkae no 3 months earlier wobɛtumi de akɔ but sɛ wodeɛ kwata kora ɛda no ade no bɛwu no make sure sɛ wode application akɔ before 12 midnight of that day no a ɛwu no nti 11:59 p.m. of ɛda no ade no ɛwu no make sure sɛ what submission no yɛatwerɛ hɔ date submitted 29th of March 2024 11:59 p.m. 11:59 p.m. is still 29th but a quarter 12 midnight in there it will show 30th of March because that is the next day even though ade here to when say wuhu say ade no ewu and I say nwu ye man ga say me twen ma ade achi ansa aso fully no it started from 12 midnight that is the starting of the day and make sure say what the work then akọ before e be we say na make no for now make only expiry date and make sure say what the call here before e say you na when say your bank card me boy
yes
so bank card na expiry date no 28th of March 2024 now one take card for fra obetumi use
there be
the same thing no more introduce omo di omo say obetumi use the name will punish you for the days I be good no.
Okay. Matthias, Matthias. Na lawyers man. Enti no san say what try say I bia o. Me so me pese meye na menya punishment. E na afen nso no embia na me hwe date no me there to me ne there. Date na so pepepe me 10 years na so say me what punishment o say me ni punishment. Me fa ni say minim say we no ene wan cheche mu a dodo na yenim. Enti se me ma calculate pepepe na menya saa 10 years no na home according to home office no me de car me the application no kwa dey na be application on be je ato atwen me days na ye be punishment no answer na make a decision and so better make a decision on my refuse application what would be the possibility and likely near be able to see
You the question is application no is it within emrano and now say and I say antisa because we didn't run and say also but indefinite leave to remain application if you have lived in the UK legally continuously 10 years, which may indefinite leave to remain application legally continuously 10 years. That is the continuous residence test. Legal residence. Illegal residence. Illegal residence for no you are trying 20 years no more private life 2.5 no. The legal residence no you are aiming towards indefinite leave to remain. Now, what do you know? What name say technicality be about 2024? And you what time ya adiano when you 10 years. Akọ lawyer ho. Lawyer no so be a onim say emra no asesa. No so mommy what do you know uba krom ha no how many years ni so me ba yanga sa matena krom hanga sanga legally there 8 years nembom ma dia no me de call ye no e delay ya ansa all eba edi 2 years ansa eba santi with the 2 years na me twen no ka ho dia and there e ma me 10 years then you bana ka tell so which 10 years there and there say delay ni there your fault or your fault enti ade do mo and there wo de be ka ho nti 10 years aso wo di indefinite to mu a ehọ na home office wo be hwe wo record moko ko puyo aba say wo last 2.5 no a delay ye no mo de ma wo de but it take 1 year as mo de ma wo santi already e di omunsem 1 year wo so de no a delay 10 years 10 days into 1 year 10 days no untumi emfa enka ho say which are 10 years because nipa nasam ne say ekodi omunsem no eche anase fa say 2 years ya o kana asem yi omo ka cha say ebedi yensem no 2 years wonso edi wunsem 10 days nje say wo twen 2 years 10 days ansa wo the application no aba meanwhile what the application aba prematurely because of the technicality within the rules no what the aba prematurely because wunim doesn't mean say okay nti technical no uncha 10 years as I say the indefinite amount say koba say wo visa no enwu a o maka tell say wo visa no enwu nti twen kosita ma ebewu na by fa indefinite no bra if by that time no when you're full 10 years and now say by year foforo to cover gaps na eda wenim no so visa no ewu a na wo the indefinite no ekwa omo be ma another 2.5 to help you to cover the gap na abedemu no so that will be the outcome.
Okay. Matias ye wo hono. Loyasma. Sisia no se ne ye kono mre no kuyi. Sisia yumfo ha. Ekoyi inti no ne be ne se enche bia me bebie telephone lines no e de atum. Embia na ene adehia we sua no. O question no enhye da enye no enti enye no wo be try say wo be bisa na say wo bisa wo betumi ebisa akwanya da ho just give me 1 minute akwanya da ho a wo betumi ebisa question pepepe ana say embia ade ana ye bisa no seni ana ye cheche mo still a wadwen ye wontanta so you still prefer to ask a question kwanya akwanya e wo hono maybe a telephone lines no bansa na meye no dodo na ba online nyina greetings to you all Margaret Edu Mensa Margaret Ramanana Sewa Gina Edu say Evangelist Gina Ansai do Margaret said kindly share the video the moment you join in, share to friends and family. Thank you. And then we have Emmanuel Nikwe say happy Easter, lawyer Asmah and all the BWF solicitors. Happy Easter to you all. We also have our dear sister Sandra Fraser say share when you join, please. Nana Jemai say okay. Nana Jemai pose a question. I will ask that question in a minute. And Nana Hima Sapon also said happy Easter to you all. And then there is another question. As time goes on, I'm going to open the telephone lines now. If you have any question at all you want to ask, lawyer is here. Lawyer will answer you. It doesn't doesn't matter if it's to be with the topic that we are treating today or a different topic. Our person bisa no akwenya edaho. Inti lawyer Asmah, yenkoso na yehwe no sisia no waka I'm say questions are me trotting na wait to me aboboni nyina eso e de amaye your telephone lines are ye de bedi duma no say producer wa on fan to board ni so na ye to me and embobo ma enkrofo say na where wait to me afre na obobisa question so you can call 0208 123 1016 and I say obetumi bisa afre 07399208468. There is also a WhatsApp number that you can call, and you can even leave a voice note in case you are driving or you are at work or you are somewhere that you can't make a telephone call. Make a voice note. Member Ediama lawyer Asmah na utumi answer Ediama. The telephone number is 075 966 154. Misa Abubo Subio 075 926 Kola na Chempra or the question about them. Yo, other for one, so I still got one or two questions for last one, but then let's move on. Pacho, what free about legal hours, so go free may until
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Good evening, John.
Okay, hello, John. Happy Easter. So,
Same to you, Mr. Lawyer Asmah.
Major audio show.
My question is unrelated to today's topic, but
that's no problem at all.
Maybe some sister no, I worry British ni Ghana.
Yeah.
Or worry no, or assembly no, but sister no with visitors visa.
Okay.
But or see or buy because of this visitors visa and buy on to me this our no on to me fan to move this Ghana.
Okay.
But or see we advising us or ni papa no etinabo 2 years like omuko have it 2 years or to my application without going to Ghana.
Okay, hold on. Pacha, hold on. New crew no ewa ha no akọ ware no ofie, right?
Oh, we're in fee that 8 years ago.
But ono aba but to was in pesa ye ti question asie ye. But ono ne yere na owo fie no wa bakrom has a visitor with visitors visa, right?
Yeah.
And anka opese o maware dada no nka o mfa ntum enye sa.
Yeah.
And na obi ato ne fo say okita visitors visa no. Enye ye na emo akonya foforo bi wo ho a say otenemu 2 years na just say the visa na expire as a visitors visa otenemu for 2 years there ne kru na e wa ha no betumi de akotum ama no say any question no.
Yeah, say almost 2 years so betumi approve say almost 2 years.
Okay, lawyer Asmah mpacho yembisa yemma yemnua be me answer kakra.
Yo yenya be my ede mesra no na enye clear ma menti pacho na obetumi esiso wetin year.
Yo ni opa kire ne say abrantie bi wa ha na one ne yire oware ne yire long time ago e wo Ghana. Ena sisi a nyame aye ne yire na adom wa ba ha as a visitor e ba besra ne kunu. Na oba ye ja weda yi aye huntani ade enije abefie nti no ompese obekọ omunyanka omaware na omoware ofie dadaada no omfa ntum so omo ya ware fo ha na nka yengina so ma ne nkrata na onim se nka enye yi ena obi ato ne fo se akwanya foforo wo ho a ne yire na wa aba no ne yire ankasa nkrata kire se ne yire ankasa ontnemu na ne visitors visa na expire na onto aso for 2 years into to aso for 2 years dia ne kru na wa ha no ebetumi omo be prove say one na atena for 2 years na onfa nkrata no enkotum nti obisa say eyeye saa anase enye saa netie.
I mean, I think nipa no otunufu no or rely on the relationship rule now abano. Say you don't have to be necessarily married, but living together. And now say we and not even living together no cry no, and yes, physically living together. But a moment the end they physically living together. Now, I say say So obi any nkrata now or your application for leave to remain as a spouse and as a partner. Home office when they decide say the mano and I say mano. Of course, applications ni no omo no mo decide but ebi omo a omo ye no in a omo make sure say omo ye mistake. Mra no ye clear. But wukunu ewo ha or ye bi okuta indefinite and also ye British citizen and also ye EU citizen. Wo ye hoho na wote ha, wo ye illegal. If you cry no fine ma worry and say more relationship durable relationship. Na mo meet relationship rules no a. Say ye de ba ma won in fam on it's up to them. Ometumi aka kire mo say monkọ mo krom na monkọ to ma ware so ewo ho na say monkọ bọ mo bra ewo ho say mo dọ mo ho saa. Nti nipa na otu ufu no nka so ode no eka ho nti mo man hye eno enso. Nti na je say ehwe a enye 100% eye 50-50 ometumi aka say ani ometumi so aka say debi because uni nkrata ba ko no enni nkrata. Now nia yenu betumi aye no say sa akwala wo mudi a akwala e wo mudi a akwala no nti o me consider na ye da ma yenu because akwala no British akwala and also EU akwala I from qualifying children under section 117D no. So akwala no qualifying child so ye EU akwala so ye British akwala and also kuta pre-settled and say settled and also kuta normal indefinite leave to remain so akwala no enti ye beka say yo and ye mama mi asetena no ntumi mboa akwala ne hwem cause akwala no ntumi ndi n'echi enko oman a one ne nukunu epese omkotena mu no emu. Ti akwala no betumi aya ono ane ba anase na ba noma. Se na ba noma de a na je say ye papa no ba. Ndi sa papa no ba na one ne ti no together with nukunu yi no obetumi agina sa ba noma no so. Eno no sa ba noma na di 7 years wo krum ha kra amra ne say sa ba noma no so ye qualifying child. But yen yen enti amanka 7 years akwala anka woni say oba ye no need 7 years. There's no way ono ane ba edi 7 years wa ha. Nti na memfa nka ho no. But say na ba no ma dia and yes akwala na di 7 years na say ya wono krom ha watena ha 7 years ebetumi egina on akwala no so eso na ya the application atum na akwasre fekesim for so mo nhwa akwala no nti na omon consider mami.
Menua bema na wo we no senior lawyer achichi mu no, it's very simple. Nemo there are a whole lot of technical issues within to be successful. You can't just sit at home and do such an application. But open more into details, and so I'll ask you to book an appointment. Na komu lawyer Asmah and now aswe no. Na ye ni wuntina si ni encheche mo kwan a obetumi afa so na odi aye. Yes no. Na ebi ye nokra ebi nso enhye da emfa. And just a little bit of advice. Lawyers man, more question me bi wo yenua bema na najima. Or see what are the requirements for the indefinite remain application, and then how much is the cost of indefinite leave to remain application, and what exams do you need to write? Oh, when you have an idea, when you can offer me one question, I'll be sad. Nti lawyer one said no we are na fe me nua no gina so no so na mama ne answer patcho say o frɛ na me pick ya no mute ho kakra de amaye why na emaye feedback e wa ha lawyers man patcho to me answer me no quick na mama ne also na kasa.
Yo nti we here B1 English language and I say so ukuta degree and as a masters ewe UK or memu dia ubetumi eyusu eno na ye for the English language test no. Sarah enso na SSL we life in the UK exams. Nti eno so abeka ho nti hye so. Obi say how much? The last time ye bi no nipa ni tua 2,800 and something. So dia wo your budget afense 3,000 pounds. Why? In terms of requirement, as I say we show say someone I will say we try 10 years from hand to acquire indefinite. It proves say we try 10 years. So would that 2.5 and I say we would any a mix for ni bia. mix for no yankofo no mo ye student omo switch call ha then you mix for no and you 10 years continuous leave legally in the UK. And omo de direct for no ye obi anipa no or by as a spouse but you only no kru and send the 2.5 and no call the so and we into last 2.5 no ebewu or an application on ya another 2.5 or be indefinite this half one so so we are looking at the residence test until one situation be determine yes ebe qualify for residence no na ya English no ya can life in the UK we say what's na ha so there within the last 5 years and then actually say what you chrome ha there is so as I say we prove with pay slips and that's a P60 statement and that's a BBHS say ampa what's na ha continuously for at least 5 years we here any income so spouse sponsor now would move it to the next level there spouse on some information so now would year can be here bill. So if you want more you can go online and get the requirement for indefinite leave to remain, or if you are ready for us to assist you you can come in. You have to make sure that you get the right form. We have set M, we have set LR, we have set O, we have a lot of sets settlement application forms.
Yeah.
You see wrong one on me reject your application. This week will be by my office. As a lawyer, lawyer be your application. But home office what from me say on my reject it. On my church my baby minti ase. Na me say oh me share ya. Nipa no na oda thought so. But what has here?
Turn up.
We're trying to 10 years. In think I say lawyer no ye man no o use to set LR. No ko use to set M. Set M ye for 5 years for no marriage. Nti okwo use to set M no na call in the home office for say a wrong application e why ye. Nia why ye no unqualify we. Nti after all what no ebewu September. Nti kwatwen ewu ana was na ye foforo. And now so say opa your application foforo using the correct form na ye nto aso ema o. Oba ya no na days na omode man no na apa ho. Santi me ka chere so omo can say within 10 days bra if application for correct application no bra one year sa say your photo say your lawyer no photo it wasn't done. Santi anytime you obetumi your application no there but you have to do it before the no ebewu. So those are the things.
That's when the explanation now come beyond it. But on the phone, man, so my tone, kawaii.
Pastor, good morning.
Good morning, Papa.
Lawyer, good morning.
Ojo Somenia.
Pastor, lawyer, maybe some question, kakra.
Koso.
Sir, question you know. Papa, yes, obi awari you ni. Na say ni pano, womo atena say ama memfa say obi a enya memfa say ni pakona nya indefinite. So ya ba na be ma. Na omaja awade na say nkura ewo womo entema mfa say memfa say oba no kunu no mba ode omo eba kuruma. Say memfa say oyanya indefinite say esan so omaja awade ni ti say okokoye indefinite na obegina kuruma mra so na aya na ana mra to so mi no question mi to so mi say memfa say no so say ukita indefinite ana so ukita kuruma buku na okowara obi no frigana ba oba be wema the resident card na say biometric card no oba tambe na ne sabeka and she another question because normally na obi application omo just be a post office e ho na mpese
Ne atwato ne de oba o ma wo ho atenten o mo tro wo ye ka ne sen letter no final letter na ye de ma we no TLC for letter no mo tro so say obedu a 10 working days and e bi kra 2 weeks no akwaje ba bi mo no o mo de no mo bedu ya o 3 days kra ya na da ho obi wo be ko 1 week da obi kra be ko 2 weeks ni still a na nda ho na ne o mo se be da ho na wa nkwaje a ye sam post back edukoma home office obi hu a we yido na What the application no now home office for atro say abasa email no so say o card the code down one ko fanti card na sa be di on sem e no sa no say o ye application say o ye mfam bro no am address a o ti so sisi ano na ye this application ye the card no abro was address nti o de e no anti na me ma lawyer Asmah e answer o first one lawyer Asmah
madam I'm o kasano betini ya o se se ebu ho no ma o 10 days bu o so a obeduru afa no ko na se obeduru ata tikasi e bodo so omu hu se wa ba bewura
sa
enti ho no ma na eba ekwa address
there be tete me see obi wo ho a obedu 3 days obekwa na e wo ho
okay
me hu bi nti na me ka sa no obi on say ye throw o paper ne so say within 10 working days or say 2 weeks or say 14 working days and no na wo paper ne so a ye dey amount and now email na but na make us say bi mo bedu a oko check 3 days time kra na obekọ no na wo ho obi nso 5 days obekọ na wo ho obi kra 2 weeks obi ya 3 weeks obi kra 1 month na say ebeda ho nso na nko ye nkoji ya omo san de call back to home office o no so ati ase
matini nyina o le metini nyina
yo me ma lawyer Asmah yo
me pacho na ye be kraka second one on say nipa no bedu na when you sure say card na bad say mba ya call the whole post office line no post office na wo kwaje ade o wunim Google their number call them to be say one say man card na ba na membra na say member no mbeka no na we di chire sa yeah now first question no me pacho which me assign so kakra bi amame because bibi o mo amanti ni ye
na me kan say obi o ware yi uni na o ma tra tia na te se dia ware ja ba nipa no anya
pacho ho
yi uni ni so na ji asetena mo saa nkora na me bi ja say o ma ja wade no so omo so omo indefinite omo be gina yi kroma mra so na agi ana setela yi umra no eno be gina so agi ma me na ana se papa na oji ma omo no oni hobi o ti abasa se no be ye omo indefinite
yo den edi adanse se oni hobi e ya warija krata ana se owo krata
yes awarija krata
to be yusu awarija krata no na what anam yiyo kwan so your friend no retention of right application.
Pacho se wati.
Okay, lawyer na pacho saro. Oba jina kroma mra na stela yu mra na no be jina swati. Ono na me.
Oba jina yu mra no swa na wa bobra provided say wo evidence say BBAC. And your friend retention of UU right.
Okay. That's it. Thank you very much, yo. Say lawyer Annie ewo around. Until lawyer Annie were around that. Maybe some question back.
And then Easter Friday until I will do the summary in English when we get to that point.
Okay, that's fine then. Until no question back Mindy can be so we answer. Or see, please, I know there is different kind of there are different but one different for indefinite leave to remain, especially completing 10-year route. Please, can you explain to us which form is appropriate one? I'm saying, no, lawyer, they can I answer and no forms, no, say from M, from LR, and from four of them. And you know what will be our question? Me very sure say, could just slide 10 minutes back to the program now. Ubenya answer ni na ewo. Afeyem bisa Emmanuel Boachisi lawyer, can skilled worker also apply for indefinite leave to remain after exhausting 2.5 years on his or her visa?
So a skilled worker would your mama 2.5
There be say or can say we did 2.5 for the visa and so I bet me I could indefinite and there be there no That's right. Murus near different kakra. Why? Maybe some way. Doris Oponsi. Good morning, please. I don't remember my first leave to remain, and I'm in my last leave to remain, which I have spent year plus on my last renewal. In this case, what time is the best I can apply for my indefinite? Indefinite. Thank you. I'm say, when last but one question, lawyer may be similar thing or but lawyer bet me through a little bit light on it for you. Why?
Yo, I mean, sir, nipa no ehu ne first one, and as some of the 2.5 sir, obetumi aye application to the Home Office to request ni file. File no ba, yebehu first one at the man, date at the man, then we calculate from there.
But so what? Okay, I know your question on the your friend is saying on the when so Facebook na YouTube na so ntino obetumi enya na webisa. And lawyer em say agrone so no afe na nipa dodo na eba na ye frɛ but emren so na ye adwuma say na ye check akra de. So Asmah mesra say wo check just 5 minutes bia na afe na ye de akoso ntino mefa just one more call wo a wo frɛ na katikati no betumi atro afrɛ na ufrɛ wie ana afi de ye de dwumadie no aba wie bansa na ɛbɛyɛ ɛno nso no lawyer na me bisa question bi na obi say ɔyɛ student no ɔyɛ student dependent ɛna wehu sɛ ne kunu no ankɔ ɛyɛ ɔbaa rather girl na ankɔ your friend is school no enwie masisia no yama ne mmetiawa na ɔmfra mfi kurom ha na ɔno dependent no akonya company bi a company na ɔne ne yɛ adwuma no apromise sɛ ɔsɛ ɔmbɛtumi ama no yɛfrɛ ne sɛn COS ana permanent way na ɔde ayɛ adwuma watena mu ayɛ adwuma nti sɛ a obisa ɔno na yɛbɛma no no afei kora na ɔkɔtwerɛ ne English because ɔne English. Can you mute yourself a bit as soon as you join? Only English. Enti no say 2 months yeah, afei na ɔbɛsua English na wakɔtwerɛ na sɛ onya. Ne yere na wankɔ school no ne gyina bia ne hemfa. Ɛna obisa.
Well, so the year now one school ni there one call nti or either say obe move it to private obe move it to family life say akwenya wo ho a and also no ka chen say so wo bibi a year before that time no ebeso nti say when timi anye bibi a unfortunately on timi switch it to skilled worker because mrano makwan I just call appendix FM rules no so in the private life nso no ontumi enkɔ so unless say obe rely on paragraph 5.1b or say uncha 20 years now wo bibi a kyerɛ sɛ wokɔ ukroma wobewu a wobetumi agina so ayɛ application nti sɛ no wɔ hɔ de a wobetumi agina so in terms of self or ba wɔ krom ha because unless sɛ ɔne ne kunu agya aware ansa ɔkɔwo de a ɛnde wobetumi agina ne ba no ɛso nti akwenya ɔno de ne yɛ limited but no dependent no mmara no sɛ obetumi aswitch to skilled worker nti sɛ omiti rules no na ɔyɛ ɔno nya ontumi fa nkava ɔbaa no because ɔbaa no na ɔyɛ student ontumi emba ne so as dependent of a skilled worker.
Ɔhɔ na ayɛ ne ntanta kakra na ɔbaa ne nyim a kyerɛ sɛ ɔnya nwoyɛ deɛ but ɔnyim nti ɛno saa no ɔmo ɔsɛ nyame yɛ n'adom a na ɔwo a ɔtumi gyina papa ne so ana ɔhɔ no wonkyerɛm ketewa bi anaasɛ ɔntumi nsesa no because ɔno sɛ ɔne na agyae deɛ a nka ɛnea ɔbɛgyina akwadaa ne so but in this case na mi sɛ ɔmo ngyae but ɔnyim aka akra a ɔbɛwo nti no ɔhɔ no wokyerɛ mu kakra a menya one voice no na afei yɛaboa no na yɛakɔ yɛnim.
Na mmara no sɛ woba no wɔ bidi a sɛ woba no yɛ qualifying child a wobɛtumi agyina ne so wakɔgye bi provided sɛ woba no papa ɛnyɛ bɛrima no a ɔte aware no ase no. enti eyono na se ohu anamo a ese obetu mmra no assetes ne de tight ema no but so per se ye biebie mmra no mu ekere no ebedu ne level ebedu ne level no ohu ne ese so oye de a ende obetumi afre na waba efie because efie a menye efie a metum na emu office na face
Yo, odofo wa ahomaso mpacho me ente o nka yemre ne yaso. Ai.
Okay, hello, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
The Pacho, person some few questions big across.
Go ahead.
Miss Sister, application first, or your free waiver, and a buy and lawyer application equal to Home Office. But as a chebino, or in May, or the application is to May.
Okay.
And up to now, and buy it.
May last year.
Me last year.
Wow.
May. And I am buy it. And I not me to say. Na me to say na work to say free waiver na say who delay application say unya 2.5 or 2.5 foot na say do 10 years na almost be delay no. And what about we have free waiver so and also know how is it going to be the calculation? Thank you.
Okay. And fee waiver no, not just application ni mwankasa unye but di kan ye fee waiver na mbwa o na mfanya application no. But can I establish that?
And see why I into free waiver no. And a buy yes so qualify and okay. All year application into the Home Office. And to why application na akwakotu. Edemusia and with the Home Office no or submit Home Office application in May. Somewhere in May.
Okay. Yo. Yeah. Maybe answer na lawyer bebe no. Answer lawyer bebe no. Abra oye fee waiver no. Ekoche ye ma ni visa ni wuya na.
Me pa chwan ekoche ye ama visa ni ewuye. And up to now no.
Yo, ma ya ti ase. Asmah. But and now question be on
what if August actually answer why in the second application it is like 10 years now and after all these 10 years so by the 2 months and also so no calculation on saying but first the person so like I didn't know up to now no end by it and at the second one so say 10 years no so exactly 10 years to obey to me application and
yo my two question I say me my lawyer Asmah Emma why with us
okay Pacho, thank you.
You're welcome. Last man
yo
fee waiver koso Pacho mute huma me why
now I want the kind of say ache nti obey dey so acha which me asend no email so what dey na ache to follow up na omo reply o bebre no as say ache omo say first na 6 months na omo dey call 9 months na omo dey call 12 months na fi dey omo say they don't even have any time limit time omo be ready be omo dey bebre o tinyan so na for I to etiefo ni ahwefo ni say ade na acha omo say sisi ano eche no aye normal nti you manage expectation no but ebeba. Now question number 2 or say waiver no how does that affect in the income no so we feel waiver no before what dey no be wudi a we okay problem aye ba ni obi o ye ni fee waiver application no or the call ye no o maybe some document bi o maybe say bibi and I went to me and responded and tem and no man a decision say they are rejected into your application and embre ebe mu so contemplate say meye anasa minye and 14 days anasa 10 days no mo dey amano no ewuye and odi fee waiver foforo etum and I feel the ye and or the an application main one. Nti a fee waiver no akoye mienu. But between the first and the second no gap abedemu. Because the amount of 10 days on continue with the main application, unti no ye no 1 year no year fee waiver for fraud. But a 10 days in so ye 11th day no the fee waiver for fraud call ye. Even though o ma accept second fee waiver no ma ye bibia ma na application no aba ma what 2.5 no so no gap abeda baby santi ebetumi ekoyi aba say time a wo ye wo second fee waiver no break by 1 day because 10 days na dem when you sue. And one na kwakwa ba say santi delay akoba ni na omo de account delay no ehun. But a few waiver no we ya no break bi amem we ya no on time. Omo so make a decision. Omo de bre wo no omo ba voucher na we use ye dia then nkomo a ye di no affect you. With 10 years no so a betuma your application the next day even though we visa no enwu ye. Third, so we'll be saying 3 questions. Well,
But and na wa say it do
right.
10 years no na okoya. How say e be affect na monka say abe delay nti no also oye na e ka ho no. And na o kind na sisi anso na e delay no. And also be count towards that na.
Yeah, and also calculation. Calculation there and they are bebre. Until we hear more mathematical calculation. Aya na waba. We time so bra. Na ya betina say. Na ya the calculator na to ho a check say case law na aba no abe affect you and that's affect you. Na ya the application na to kama. And that's what you grab abaje consultation for 30 minutes. Na what you see na wa kwaya wa dey so.
And I don't know. Last ma obi so asend we the time ni so one last we voice note no. Na yemko voice note no. Load nso no etwa ne ho still. Okay, men try say metumi aba. Nipa mienu nko aba let's see. Okay. Yentie we.
Mpacho, good morning. Mpacho, net program na me person me bisa question. I want 10 root application. Mpacho, me dey no me kwaye free waiver. Me kwaye free waiver no. Na me fin enwuye, but ekowuye. Oh, home office for nsem. Instead of 14th no, 14th of June ko wuye. Oh, mo nsem. Enti no so say me kwaye indefinite na. Mpacho ba affect me ana. Mpacho ewuye, free waiver for nsem ansa na me kwaye main application.
Say we na yedi kan answer me sure say similar say enye no cry very similar. Enti no yentie we nso na afede yenwie.
Good morning, Majeti. Good morning, lawyer. Demase. Say, mo pa mo ye de boa Ghana for me. Busa asema ma young kubi. Ne yere ye student no so ye dependent on ne yere no. No mo onkra miensa. Ne yere na wie ne master's program ama mama no 2 years. Na 2 years no mu no orne ne yere no e no mo ma miensa na mu ba akopɛ na apply for so 2 years no nkura mienu na aka no omuntimi nyɛ because of sikasamunti enti ɔso obi atu no for sɛ nkura mienu na aka no omuntimi nyɛ na omuntwentwɛn so ɛnam sɛ nkura no ɔmoyɛ nkura na afei ɔmo san wo school mu so ntina nya ade home office for betuma yɛ bibia ɛna mekyɛ ne sɛ ɔmo mmɔden ano nyɛ mfiri hɔ ahwɛ adakyɛ de asɛm bebrɛ no na opese ohunu sɛ obetumi apply for fee waiver na because of almost circumstance in finance no na face no yere no so akoye student nti so mbeda se ombenya afutuo bi so afri lawyer ho tinyame enkam de mase bebre ba
Nti Asmah.
Yo, fee waiver no only for human right application. Graduate scheme and human right. Human right application your family life and private life. And you refugee. Into no fee waiver.
Okay, that's fine. Say near ho no ye nja nyame adoma Say ochina ebeba so ane de aba. Asmah, okay. You better say your friend by. In fact, when we began the program, we encountered so many technical issues, but finally, God has been faithful to me. I call successful. Am I and I don't know now mobile. So sharing on a mania there. You didn't share much at all, Miss Remon. And the program we senior indefinite. Say you can say 2.5 indefinite. You know, a call my end do na, and then I can say 90% fall into this way applicants fall into victim either some very beefy and I say BBC na fedie enti saa no kwan ben na obefa so a obetumi ejina so na wo dia ye wo indefinite na ntem na wakwaje British passport hia ye enti mon share call Facebook or WhatsApp or YouTube no. Click on the link na official or baby and for enya home faso. Asmah, yemre na ye be. Enti memo akwenya na wabɔ ne pɔtɔ kasa no kakra tofa e de amaye within the few minutes na afedie ne ɛwɔ hɔ no ne ya tudwa na ya sorry na so akoso Yesu kakra na areho na start eba. Enti wadaroma pacho.
Yo, a very good Friday to Yenina. And Easter Friday in the significance. Tibra yesia yankrata some emrano na yakae se odona bi na yada na edi abama wo no ti wonso da sa odoni edi ema afoforo na yaka ne se wo atena kroma ha 10 years na wo da different visa so na what the money about 2.5 years so and I wait 10 years but visa no last one in who ya so when you're 10 years nkwa dia ube to me aye application no am na ye case law am na very very technical santi so wo kwaya bo modern say ube seek advice and so what the akọ umpese obekwekotu sika na obekọ no mo say wo time nso ye na wo de aba nti ya ma 2.5 and I say train answer ti bo modern yemo modern na yenhye eno nso but na yekane nyina ne say ubetumi aye indefinite leave to remain application before we final 2.5 no ebewu nti say wo ya na wa check say when you 10 years no continuously legally no and stand so there we do application call kane no last one no na ewu and say na enwu ye say na ewu dia and the 10 years no enso ye say na enwu ye dia and the 10 years no abaya no kre say aso nti say opese wo say 10 years no aso anasa enso ya starting from we first visa edema legal one no up to last one no na check say when you 10 years no e wo krom ha legally ana mama yan sha so say graduate scheme there no enka ho graduate scheme there no enka ho that's it. Have a pleasant
Yo. Last man, Miss Medasi, and then I'm person a corner. You can say not so official, but of course, I will say the professionalism like a crown so at the home. And then a good Friday. To me, you say, ye kai abra, ya Jim Quanon, or Bassa, see so, or didn't come to or at the Maya, the J. Na and I could do Sunday, no, not fide, or best sorry, Nina kai. So I'm ready, my yada, but we are just remembering. And you know, you find reflecting na yenhwe na afi so enen so adesua bae no you reflect na meto efutuo kaka na mefutuo kakra ne say mesra mani die mom na eba ne email any address ayede application bi wo ho a na address no we tu efri ho enti no na ebia na ne letters eda so ekọ ho no motion and so we direct post no direction redirection post na moya e wo ho nso a mon follow up even sa old address no kra wo mo a no ahye da akọ just be acquainted with the person living there say what now why your redirection there na mom say bibi say na ba utumi leave contact kra na omon from na kwaji Some people are kind, or may be monsua, they will what send it back to the sender. And then she can't the ban email so Miss Lemon. See emails na check it, especially I will check email na call spam monso junk mail no komonso na kwahwe because sometimes you to make very important you can say emails now because any panel afe na almost send a message first time and I say bibi na fishing no apa ama na apa do spam or now junk mu na onsanka to make call so ebi na ya throw say bibi ya throw bisi na on check ya to make call so wonni email a Mr. Phone so cry to me ma can say pops apps na say when your email when you only marking kan to me there are keywords be or say we do we nika hwe wo bibi na we to me kan ben obi na ka say menya email bi na em say important hwe ma me na yen jai say de bia yenim ye boto na neoma edi ehwa saa no Mr. we dey futu kakra me dey mai na yen hye no so very very important your email and your address and your telephone numbers no yen hye no so obi wa ni old telephone number assistant number na ha adwen obi so ye frɛ no o se menim number ni nti no memfa yen jai wan ye dwane no ye dwane wan no obi frɛ ni number bia say I don't know the number so I'm not going to pick it I don't know the number I'm not going to me no amateur way of thinking because unim obi near or friend no point na ourself uyentem and now fa so ufa na nipa ko no person ni be kasa utie na say it's not of any interest to you and no aka bye now they are so it doesn't spoil anything but rather say one fa na be very important something and be cry obeja voice note to go so wontie voice mail no na de bia yes especially people calling with private numbers also private intimate fa so why na wodwane no odika ne nyina nti we Easter futo kakra me de ma mo nyame adom o chena ebia ibehia ihia de a ye be kasa na ye nhia nso a eno ano no munya happy Easter lo Asmah se woni ye wi na obe ma bye bia ansa na wako.
No, I mean, Samson, whatever there is, viewers and listeners, is that tomorrow is a day for reflection. So tomorrow we'll leave viewers and listeners to reflect, and next week we shall meet for our usual conversations. Have a wonderful Easter.
Thank you. Yes, have a wonderful Easter. Thank you, Lawyer Asmah, and stay blessed. Bye-bye. Enjoy your weekend. Bye-bye.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specialising in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specialising in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contestant and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner. With over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.